When you eat all them banana, you say, wow. But the man, no, I say it again because they say man eat banana.
Banana for woman.
Oh. I don't know what you are talking about. A man not take banana, man eat banana.
Why?
Take banana. Why? Take banana.
I did that.
Yes.
Yes, I found your dribble already.
Ready.
Alright.
Ready, can't wait. Shema, there's a cover, man. So at the end of the bubble, you know. You know. Today we do have a Christians. Today I'm very strong. Team there. So today we just have a place on ludi.
Big up yourself, you know, Mr. Chris. Up here strong, you my friend?
Every time, man.
On us.
Respect me, friend. Yeah, man. Just our vibes that we to the people. One respect, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So we'll leave a load of game people today. Face I get both
Me them attack, man. A three of them against me. I have to play three is a team. Ludi is a team sport. 3 against 1. 1.
So you want with them against who?
You?
You?
I'm not going to sit, man. I script them boy there for a board.
Stay tuned,
Big board
people.
for blood splash all board today.
Stay tuned.
Need a sign, landscaping, man. Just a small cup or so. Alright? Good like this. Wonderful.
Yeah, $1 this one. I him do all the landscaping work then.
Yeah, man. I might plate me walk with you know. Yeah, man. This meat out there, you know. Not like see it. Nothing crackery. All in, you know me I talk about shine? Yeah. And a dog pan do you know.
Big bowl.
Big ball.
You hear me now? I know so that game I play.
Yeah.
Nobody feel like I just 3 games.
Yeah.
I just got to throw this and I say. You see from a quarter room there. You see from you touch the board.
With a drink then, no man.
You see from you touch the board.
Yeah, I've checked a drink.
I make sure you explain the game good that anybody come and can tell them.
Right.
You touch a board there with the dart.
Yeah, I've checked a
You
drink.
have to take a shot.
Alright.
The shot dead.
The shot is
You
dead.
see, while you play with 2 or 3 people and shoot at this thing,
Yeah.
you see anybody who hit the bullseye, the rest of man them who did that play,
Yeah,
I forgot
have to go take a shot.
of course.
So nobody feel like I just saw this work.
People. Show no need bullseye.
So every man I go who have the whole
People. Watch them, Mr. People.
He might get the first fire.
Alright,
One gun.
and him go boot.
John know people. John know people. I can't go show you some close-ups of them shots of people.
Alright.
People.
Online, yeah, so we are working.
Yeah.
You see these people.
Me get the knife, pa.
We have knife already, man. Come in here, dollars. We just take off 1, 2.5 fight.
You don't know sign I farm with it, you know?
Yeah.
And you can see it. Some, you know what I'm talking about. Some little mash there. See? You still come down to the
Yeah, man. I'm a bushman to myself, you know.
You don't know.
I know we're rough.
Then the farm, you know. I know so we have pumpkin knife farm.
Yeah, so we don't want to damage them, you know.
Two on the banana here right now. I don't know. It's all in the making, you know. A soup in that way.
Yeah. No, we're not boiling no soup with the banana still. Then we have to just throw the kegs them.
When I make dumpling and banana.
Yeah.
Dumpling and banana. Alright, dumpling and banana. So, you take out all of them. My father always say, banana fit on the first hand, you know?
Alright
The
then.
last hand them take longer to fix up.
You hear that, people?
Them eat the last hand. These are the second hand that grow on the bunch of banana. So if in order you cut it, you're gonna break a finger like this now. Alright? And I'm gonna show you the first thing. You're gonna cut it like this. And you're gonna mark it like this. Alright? So if you mark it like this and you start to peel it, and you don't see it coming out like this. Wow.
Wow.
You know when we say wow, these bananas are very soft. Have you noticed?
Just
Very
right.
soft. So we don't need, you need a harder banana, we have a thicker one here. You need a thicker one, we have a thicker
Yeah, we
banana.
can work with that.
So we're going to use 2 hands of this
Yeah.
and 1 hand of that, alright? So we take off 1/2 of this and 2/2 of that. Which one is it? You want the soft one for the ladies? Soft one is for the ladies and the tough one is for the man. Them. The man have long teeth, you know? Soft banana for the lady. And the tough one for the man and for the hard teeth, you know?
Alright then.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. We bring over 2 different set of bananas. Soft one for ladies, tough one for man them.
Why? Why? Man no fit take banana here, peeps.
I know that
Why?
you say. I don't know what you want to talk about. A man not take banana, man eat banana.
Why?
Take banana.
Why?
Man take banana. I want them to fix me up. Let me go back out. I peel the banana for sure the lady how soft is the banana is. When you eat all them a banana, you say, wow. But the man, them go... No, I say it again because they say man eat banana. How the man eat banana? Something.
Yeah, people, we have to leave him. We have to leave him, people. I got chop a next and a banana with a rasta.
Bad man, watch your man try to catch a banana, Chris.
No, I'm not trying to catch my no man. Take one no more, tell.
No, I don't eat banana, bad man.
Why you don't eat banana?
Banana for woman.
Oh.
When the pressure the pan
So what you want to say now? Like how we there now? Man don't eat the right banana. I went to suck it.
Man no eat banana like that. But here me say peeps. We are going to go to the shop now, go buy some things to put on a little pot to sketch you back when we reach our shop. You serve up and down, sir. You know, serve. Can't believe it.
Be ugly people on the camera there. Be ugly people on.
Yeah, no, Tanis. Camera make Tanis a run. Chris, they get the islanding for you.
Sure, so she not learning to put him here.
You should see me. I reach in my pocket for my phone.
Tanis.
And I behave like I'm a weapon.
Come on, put the pants up there, you see?
Alright, so I want some greasy.
Yeah, people are out so we can get products them today. Forget this thing going. Right quality meat mart. Come check them out and give them a support. You see me?
Yeah, people. Forward back from the shop right now, you see me?
Yeah.
Clean up some meat and get them by the road. Nah, give fiddling no part of cooking today because I want something edible. You see me, peeps? I eat some curry chicken today. Yeah, man, big up Knife Ninja said we. You don't get for the year today still, but yeah, man, I G, man. This, yeah. So you said, do you run it today? Or me?
Go and do that.
Alright. You ready for the mate? Oh, Dodo? Yeah, man. Yeah. You love it, yes? Yeah, people. Eh? Dallas? Come on. Dallas can't cook. Clean up this thing, yeah. We make Dallas soup?
Yeah, all in one.
Yeah, all in one soup. So how that work?
Hey, she no easy though, she say all in one.
How that work?
Yeah, man.
All in one soup?
Yeah.
World's best chef at talk to you in $.
Pear soup. Cut up the chicken in some small sizes now. To curry it down. Yeah, man, so stay tuned, man. Don't miss an inch of it. Yeah, man. So I'll go on, bruv. Like, they're near the kitchen and learn, huh? So you tell now, don't get it cut up on thing. Rinse him off, season him up. Just stay tuned. Song. Yeah, people, look on the meter. Check in. Go show them how going. Clean and nice. Yeah, man. So clean and nice. Get it seasoned up right now. Don't move. Only heap of scallion, onion, garlic. All the works. Yeah. Yeah, people. My ninja kind of busy out. I don't get to make it today, but yeah, man, I'll see me in the next upcoming video. Then. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys. I have a season up this with some powder season. You know. How it looks so far, though? Be honest in the comment section. Yeah, man, Maggie chicken. Yes, guys, remember still, Maggie now give me no promotion. Yeah, man, this is not a promotion deal.
No more changes, no more talking. Just dead now.
Some jerk season. When I have ninja, in red light, over season more than under season. Yeah, man.
Yo, the ice are melt out now, bro. Tell man thing I glue now, bro.
Yeah, put 2 of the curry on it, peeps. So go on. You should gonna smell this. Alright now peeps, watch what I go on. Rub in. Basic kind of small but tough to go and work.
Yeah, people.
Clean up the work here.
Tell them we're gonna tell you about cleanliness too, man.
Yeah, man, cleanliness next to godliness.
Always have to clean up
Right
the
now,
work
people,
here.
me
You see me?
eat from a clean madman. Where a dirty sense of this muddy. God no. Clean madman.
Believe.
Yeah.
We'll check what go on now, ludi game over here, so yeah, them might get loud like somebody will get a dirty shirt.
Easy, man. Easy.
28.
Watch your dice. Report the figure.
That's 28.
6 dose.
Pastor, we not talk no game.
Me not talk no game. Me say 8. Me not say kill nobody.
Kill it, but we not play that game then.
Me not tell him to kill. Me say 8.
6.
I 6 that now. You can't kill.
Still kill it. We not talk that game
Me
then.
not
Play
talk.
your
You
game.
play my game and say 8.
Not talk no game yourself.
Take me your face. You
You
know
feel
we are
like
here.
some blood.
All right. You started. Heal yourself on a balance. Heal yourself and take a picture. No, one more. Move more. Move one more.
4.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, me like that.
All right.
Calm down yourself.
Run up and down. Oh, yeah, bag.
Let's keep on a block off my
You
6
block the man 6 for brethren.
Me not touch you in dice.
You
block off my 6 man.
Yeah, 10.
One tail.
10, yeah, block the man from getting 6. Boy, yeah, shield.
When you calm him down, I mean, we don't have to come. You calm down yourself, too. You calm down yourself. Calm down, calm down.
No, sure. You love being over to the gate.
Alright. Visitor come back.
How are this?
Visitor is here. Calm down, calm down.
Watch what go on. 5 pound of floor, you know. Yeah, man, you see crowd. Yeah, man, so we have a whole heap of floor people.
And this is not all the crowd. You know, more for it soon, so.
Yeah, peeps, you know, say, you can't afford to mess up today, neither. You have to do everything to perfection. Yeah, God. Yeah, everything to perfection, people. That's what you want to go on. Yeah, peeps. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, combine the floor and the car.
So, Martel,
peeps.
you ever need 5 pound of flour yet?
Yeah, man, all 10 pound, man.
Alright.
See what I go on today.
Remember, you know, me have video.
Yeah, peeps. Come on, peeps. Yeah, man, peeps. I wonder if you know this. No flour left in your bag. I don't have to left nothing. I'm not spoiled for me. One go. Yeah, man. One go, peeps. Yeah, man. Combine it, you know?
Alright, what's that one now? Wait a go.
Right, look, my boss.
I look like you're close to spoil it.
You hear him, peeps? Oh, them are working up, peeps. Now I'm going to spoil no food.
Yo, tell them how that play. Tell them how that play.
Dirty shirt for birthday, no nice.
Badras, show them how you eat the badras. Remember say you are ludi man in the badras.
Yeah.
You don't know about the game.
You know.
Them young to the game, man.
For me, no.
Tell them already so they can't give me the but
Right now we have two
Right.
tall areas,
I'm
two short areas.
Because now I go to the other side.
One,
And
two,
the man
tall
push
area.
open it.
Short area.
Which one of them I get the dirty shot?
Birthday one.
Birthday boy. They said, liquor take the Rasta, you want a drink break. Rasta? Liquor take him from the load boat, people.
No,
You have a
man.
ball
Okay.
for a
I
drink
mean, I
break.
done for the game. So you don't have a drink and show them something. A Rasta run the game today. Look there.
A liquor.
Do you get way?
Look there.
But a oofa game, do
Oh,
you
you
get
gone
way?
heaven already?
What you mean? I mean, I done.
So
Look
that's
there.
why
Oh,
now
who are gonna get it? Who are gonna get
I
it?
see the bomb again.
Oh, the fire blazing now, Mr. Martel. That is it. Big up Budget Entertainment, you know. Yeah, man.
Martel Adventures, you know. Every time. Creative cooking, it's here. Look for free.
Respect, man, Budget. As I tell people, them man are supply with tent and chairs and tables, igloo, ice, everything, you know. So just connect up.
Party consignment.
Budget
One
Entertainment. Right across all platforms.
Yo, more notice.
People,
You can't ban.
look like a birthday, man. I get
Yeah,
this,
man,
you
we
know, watch
can't
out.
Ban the fee, you know.
All four of
Six,
them
mix
play
it.
them there, hell. See the winner, you come round here now.
Thank you, yes.
Hold them.
Calm down, calm down, right, Trump. Calm down, Christopher.
You know, peeps, so like a birthday boy, dirty shot, you know.
Too strong, man, too strong.
Boy, Chung. Don't roll left bashment, you know. Don't left bashment.
Birthday boy, a ball.
But don't roll left bashment. Because my place small.
Give him this now, Dodo.
Yes, me will take my
One S Rasta.
You think your old t-shirt smells well?
Yeah, peeps, see this? Kitchen now. I'm sit on the water here now. You see me? Yeah. Little salt in the water. Yeah, man. Every time it's bubble up, straight pigs in a pot, man. See if we can get 100 dumplings with a 5 pound. Yeah.
Think that possible, people?
Peeps, watch out, man. Come in. Come in the peeps.
Oh gosh, water bubbling.
Yeah, man, a flower time, peeps, man.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Just a show where I put in a few still. Just to play some music. Yeah, man. Just a few I go show go in a pot.
Yeah, so if you avoid any copyright infringement.
Yeah, peeps. Yeah, man. Roll and press a few. Quick and fast. What you saw go on.
All the inspectors on his way to check out these flowers.
Yeah, man.
If
See
them
birthday boy
floating.
that come across. Are you hungry now, you know, peeps?
Watch bruv. Sorry. Yeah. What a good day, man.
Yeah, man. Great day, man. Yeah, peeps. So stay tuned. Stick and watch what I go on here. Yeah, peeps.
Bubbling.
Yeah, peeps. Yeah, man. Pot full of flour, man. Yeah, peeps. Yeah, man. Show my bit of pot cover, man. Flour then the dog bubble down, you know. Yeah, man. So touch it now. Watch your style now, people. Yeah, man. I sit on the curry pot here now. Yeah, man. Right, hot. Burn the curry and see what I go on. Yeah, man.
Oil there are going hot. Dumpling then they are going to simmer down. Pot cover burn up. So we're going to put on the next pot cover here now.
Pot cover shrink
Yeah.
down here.
We have our next one still, peeps. As one gone, one born. So yeah, smart tail back again.
Garlic in the oil, people. Your pizza, we're in the near pound in even here. Yeah, man. I feel like so far I gotta give you a breakthrough still. Oh, man, I better for curry even people. It's a fuck. Smell it fiddly?
Oh God, man.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you can't show no boy now. You have to cut it that way.
Yeah, man, people. Put the chicken on the island now.
Throw in one piece, make we hear the sizzle.
I hear sizzle, man. My man rock stone settings today now, man.
What sizzle in that, peeps?
Yeah, peeps.
That go on, man.
Nah, put in the ground season limit. Yeah, man, so that kind of scrape them off a bit. Yeah, man, they pick them up, play some music, so we're done. Put them in the pot, get back to them. Yeah, man, stay tuned. Yeah, plate. Look for one. Lord, they're ready, man. Set them on fire now and set on next pot to do some banana. What we need on the bar? Where they want to go on again? Seize the time. Yeah, peeps. A whole lot of goodness here down the night. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Alright, cool. Cool.
Yeah, peeps. Yeah, man.
Go right now.
Yeah, man. Watch out, man. Jaja God.
You know what, people?
The truth now. Chris, look how you go for cook. What do you find? Small in your little finger. Jano, I try to work with it still. Banana and small still, people. Watch it.
I come from
Tell you,
far. Cheers it. Cheers it.
Yeah, man. The banana in your face hard
Cheers it.
like.
Look at her, cheers it. Look at her, cheers it.
Fit on fire.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Yeah, peeps. Yeah, man. Yeah, peeps.
You said to go plate you want chase grass?
Yeah, peeps. Here's some food now, see me? Yeah, man, so.
Ready and waiting. Pam, pam, pam. Yes, you curry ready.
Yeah.
One adventure. Curry ready.
One Martel adventure.
Yeah.
Tell them no see it. Huh?
Outside, ready for eat the food. Yes.
They say have on your dribble already.
Ready.
Alright.
Ready, can't wait.
Yeah, people, you see? Yeah, man, you have on in dribble ready and waiting, man. Oh, God, man.
Ready.
How it go on?
Ready.
Ready?
I mean, sit there.
Oh, gosh, man. It's a good look.
Nobody.
Banana and dumpling.
$20,000 can't build me nothing. $20,000 can't build me nothing. Me not go fight. Me not go fight today. I work.
See it, how it go on? Ready? Alright, that is it. Oh, God, man. Nigga, how it go on? Active? Yeah, man. How it go on, Zolo? Ready?
Man.
Yeah, sample chicken and make we know how it go on.
Active, man.
Oh gosh, Chopper Zolo. Yeah, man. I want you crave, you know, people. I want you crave so you make sure you go far. I want you greedy. Now turn the camera up on the next man still.
I want more tell man and a running belly.
Alright, cut. Martel, what you say? Room for improvement or it perfect?
No, man, the crowd kill the go, man.
Just right?
But here going now, peeps. Hold on. Yeah, man. Look from this. Some dart, we are going to play and take some shots. Yeah, man, the fun not done yet.
Yeah, man,
But
the fun
you
not
see
done.
food, 10 out of 10, man.
Yeah, man.
King Chef.
Yeah,
King
people.
Chef.
Hear that, people?
Man, see King Chef, man.
One budget said that, yeah?
King Chef.
Fiddler, go on. Give me a minute, let me tell you.
Think of puppy chow.
9 out of 10 people. Wait.
King Chef.
I 10 out of 10, man. I 10 out of 10. Chop. Spices and dust right, man, people. Curry not hurt my belly just yet. Everything are going good so far. 10 out of 10.
Yo, boss, what the food?
Yeah, good man.
Yeah? How much of the 10 you get?
10 out of 10, man.
Oh, gosh, man, bravo. One, bravo. Is... So people in your face, man?
We have 6 that. We have 3 players. If one of them data touch any board right here, so the player who make the shot touch the board, take a shot. You see, if you're the
Shot
player,
or what? Shot or what?
whatever we are going to bring out, man, we don't know what yet. We don't know what would bring out.
Rum, vodka, anything, but
You see,
continue.
if the player make the bullseye, the other 2 players
The other 2 contestants take a shot. Alright.
That we are playing.
Makes sense.
So if you can't manage the game, leave it alone. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Second to
Yeah, man, I'm here going last place.
Start your way. Alright, one that's you. Let it know. Sure. No, simple there. See line there. Two on the one. Alright. And now much nugget. Right. Same bullseye, we not there, shot. Alright, cheer that. Cheer it, shot now.
No, wait, not take a shot yet.
And this time I'm not taking a shot already.
Yeah, I'm taking my shot already.
So we're not forgetting to take the shot, brother. We're not take the shot. Wait, that's easy, that's easy. Ah, brother, father.
Right. One more board. Board. Alright. Who would that? Who would that?
No, go in the
You know score.
That's
You know
not my
score.
fault. But that's not my fault. I'm taking 3 shots there.
Ready?
1 minute.
Ready? 1.
It's not look good enough.
If I want alone, we get enough, so.
And I love you guys. It's really not look good enough.
Ready again, man. Now stop.
This not look like it again look good.
Now stop enough.
God. No go and go play, man.
I'm saying come in, brother. Look how much bullseye you make, Ellie. Nigga, come in, nigga. That 3 man alone can't play with that.
Zolo, you like the game?
Three man alone can't play, man. 3 man alone can't play, yeah?
Who play? You give me a game, okay?
Come on, go on. I'm losing, so I go on.
I mean,
Let's stop.
Stop.
Yeah, I mean, I said they got Martel Adventures. But
One Martel Adventure from your reach right, I say, you know, we're there upon a closing now. Martel are clean up the thing then. We're getting ready to leave the venue. We're not leave a dirty venue, so we just want to big up all the people that have stayed tuned so far. New subscribers, them big enough to like, share, comment, subscribe, everything. You see me? Respect, continuously, work with the movement and everything. You see me? Bless you. Martel, talk
they
to
know
them.
me I represent the Budget Entertainment. Tents, cheers, any party supplies. Link Budget Entertainment.
Yo, friend, you're the voice of Valiant to represent for Budget Entertainment. So you want some party supply, and you need some things for your big bad party, link them right now. And them me link to keep anything on me off for Diplomat. So you know style already.